The minimum wage in Australia is the lowest amount an employee may be paid for the work they perform for their employer. In a way, it is a protection that is provided by the law to all employees to ensure that standards and quality of life are upheld and respected at all stages. Having proper knowledge of the minimum wage is important for employees as it defines their lawful entitlements. However, it is just as important for employers to ensure that they are not in breach of their obligations under workplace laws. Contrary to popular belief, the minimum wage isn't a set number. It is a broad term, and the minimum wage that applies to you will vary depending on numerous circumstances. Depending on your occupation and the industry to which it belongs, your minimum wage may be different. Most occupations are covered by a Modern Industry Award, and each award stipulates the minimum wage applicable to employees organised into classifications, depending on the skill level and duties. However, some occupations are not covered by a Modern Industry Award, and if this is the case for you, your minimum wage is determined by the National Employment Standards set by the Fair Work Commission. As of 1st of July 2022, the minimum wage is $21.38 per hour or $812.60 per 38-hour week. Ensure that you maintain records of all pay slips you've received as well as the total hours you have worked to the best of your abilities. With such information, you would be able to calculate how much you have been underpaid, and you may be able to make a claim either directly to your employer or commence an action through the Fair Work Ombudsman or the courts. Obviously, it is ideal to prevent this from occurring in the first place, and this can be done by ensuring that each of your employees are properly classified and allocated the applicable minimum wage under a relevant Modern Industry Award or the National Employment Standards. Alternatively, it is not against the law to pay your employees more than the minimum wage. However, when it does come to your attention that you may have underpaid your employees, it is important to correct it as soon as reasonably practicable, and you may wish to obtain the guidance and advice from the Fair Work Ombudsman in calculating how much you owe your employees and assist you to develop a practice which would prevent further underpayment in the future.